Off.
Oh yeah.
All right.
All right. Welcome to Beast of the East, held at Eastern Oregon University.
I'm your host, Scott Campbell. Just joking. So we got Jacana from EOA going against Parrot from Eastern Oregon. I don't know about Parrot because I don't know about Eastern Oregon, but he seems to be playing Cloud. And Jacana is our resident Zelda main. I don't know, I feel like saying resident Zelda main is in and of itself not a general term because there is no other. Most regions don't have a resident Zelda main or any Zelda main. So, he's one of a kind, all right. Like he's dressed for the occasion too. He even gave a thumbs up. That's wonderful. Gosh. All right, game one. Everything is a best of 3 until winner semis. All right, and we got a little bit of spacing going around. Ooh. Yeah, he approached with Nair the first 2 times and kind of ran into that dash attack as a result. He's shield grabbing into the Nair as and he actually turned around so that he wouldn't get hit by that fair. That was really good. But really gave that Cloud limit super fast.
Less than 30 seconds in and he already has the limit.
All right, yeah. All right. Ooh, I don't know if he tried to platform cancel that or if he was just going for the cheese.
I think he was just going for cheese.
Yeah, I feel like, but the platform cancel is the cheese.
Fair.
All right, so holding the small lead, but they're pretty much just about even. Oh, now they're definitely even. He's got him off the edge. He's not even going to try to go down to edge guard. Probably a smart move. Okay.
That's good.
All right, Paul Bunyan days came early this year.
What was that at, like 80?
That was, I think he was actually closer to 90 after the throw, and she's definitely got that rage. So
yeah, that's right.
Without rage, I don't even think that killed till like 110. So there, oh man, he's
Town
just
City certainly helps too.
Yeah, he's oh yeah, I didn't even factor that in. All right, dash attack to at least get the limit. Yeah, it might be in his best interest to try to hold on to this limit, but if he's really struggling for that kill, we'll see what he does. Down tilt. I like how he crosses up down tilt like twice, and then the one time he doesn't cross up, he's like, okay, I'm gonna hit you this time.
Yeah.
Alrighty. Ooh.
I feel like Parrot here is looking too hard to try and anti-air him and isn't looking for the approaching shield.
Yeah. Well, like Jacana he's not really in the air, and Parrot is definitely just kind of jumping up and around. There he goes, though. He's got that kill.
All right.
And Cloud's definitely got that comeback factor, so anything can happen. And
especially once he gets if he gets limited again.
I thought you were about to say limp. Oh, elevator, but doesn't quite get the dice. I don't know if that was actually going to kill or if that was really good DI, but
I think it might have been a bit of both.
Yeah, because that was a really good DI. All right. They're feeling each other out. He can die at any time, but he's getting that limit. Ooh. All right. His turn.
Back throw. Ooh.
Okay. That was. I mean,
would that even have killed?
No, but I think he's trying to send a message without any service.
Oh, that was weird.
Oh, there seems to be a discrepancy, folks. All right,
they're back into it, I guess.
Take a shock. No. None of that. Oh, F2 is going to do it.
Was that DI?
I think he might have been able to DI that, but I mean, usually you don't expect. Oh, okay.
Oh, okay. So apparently the monitor cut out a second ago. That's why.
To just do that to you.
Yeah.
It's like, all right.
And it was probably going to try and dash away after the landing aerial, anyways.
Yeah. Sometimes it's like Mark's F2 where you.
Something's going on over there.
Might have been a little stronger than it looked.
Just knocking stuff over in real life.
I believe it's like Mars F tilt where like most people are going to be DIing maybe in for a jab at high percent so that they don't get fared. But then if you F tilt them, well, I guess if you're DIing it, you're still DIing it correctly. But it's just and Zelda definitely has a strong F tilt.
Yeah.
I feel like using it to space for Zelda is, I don't know if you've ever played Lucas Brawl, but his F tilt was a really good tool for control for spacing on shield.
Interesting. I feel like Zelda actually has pretty good tilt. It's just her mobility kind of restricts her from being able to use them.
Yeah, she's kind of like a stone just stuck in the ground.
Yeah.
Waiting for someone to pick her up. All right, we are on to game 2. Game 1 going to Jacana. Ooh, he wants those grabs. Double spot dodge for the grab. Yeah, I think Parrot has a little bit better idea of what Jacana's going to be looking for this time. He's playing a lot safer. He knows he doesn't want to get grabbed. This is, oh,
oh, that killed the Phantom in one hit.
Yeah. Sure did. Alright, gets that dash attack. So instead of even going for his oh, okay, alright, that's a good mix-up. I think he recognized that he was going to be DIing out on Nair, so he went for the back air. Ooh, he tries to get the tech chase into up B and almost gets it. Oh.
Paired a little answer on the...
Oh, that's alright. Good try. And
he's fishing for these F smashes after the landings.
Yeah, and that a little bit more percent. See, so that one didn't kill. Yeah, this is Smashville, I believe, right?
Yeah, this is Smashville.
So he definitely needs that range threat to kill. This one might do. Yeah.
Oh, there we go.
There we are. Really good at reading that DI.
Does that down throw up there have some kind of silly name like all of the other ones do?
Oh, like the, man, freaking Cody like calls Lucas's the Luha.
The Luha?
I'm like, I've never heard that, but I guess that's a common thing. Another lightning kick. All right. Oh. Ooh. All right. So he's actually just conditioning him into shield and then grabbing him. Like he's running up and like stopping, and he's like, I know you can't get anything off your grab because you're at cloud. So
he'll just dash in with shield.
Yeah. Oh, and the elevator.
Let's go.
Hot damn. All right, Jacana takes it convincingly, game 2. But it looked like Parrot he was doing well with catching on what he was doing.
Yeah.
He knew that he didn't want to get grabbed, but unfortunately, he still got grabbed.
They keep knocking stuff over there.
Oh, man, yeah, that's a lot of damage. Lots of knockback. Good. So Sam picking up his controller. Excuse us. All right. Anyways, good set. Good set. Gosh.
I think the biggest thing that would probably help Parrot the most in this matchup would be just be a little bit more patient.
Yeah, you have to be patient with Zelda because, I mean, when you get her, but everything she has high knockback. You know, she's so she doesn't have her neutral, but that's okay because all of her attacks reset neutral.
Yeah.
There's a lot of chords that